beidio pob bladau yn blad. Cwybio ffeindio dy pall yn y gwynt, sgwyd i'w meddran o'n chydig yn mynd. Yn wir sy'n ei ffyn newid, a dilyn y gam ar ei fynd. Roedd eisiau gorwedd yn y dangos lle o berffaith o'r fan sy'n fyny cymaros yn y tan y gorau yn gwmni betalau'n sy'n gobeithio gorwedd Diolch o galon, thank you. The name's Gildas. It's not actually my real name, it's just a band thing. You know how it is. And I feel very cultured this evening. I'm in an arts centre, performing centre. I've got an espresso by my side here. I'm going very rock and roll in my old age. This next song is about a farmer from a place called Penmachno, which is in North Wales. I'm from North Wales. Anybody from Penmachno here tonight? Before I start offending people? No? Okay. And there's a video on YouTube if you want to go see that of me and Wal walking through Llanelli singing this one. Os wy'n gwrando, mae'r gwr o Penmachno sy'n Swing yn gwrando, mae'r gŵr o ben machno tro grau I ffeindio sydd rhaid. Mae ganddo'n ferfa, welys a tractor I ddau I gasglu'r y haid. Ac yn ffond rhwng ei goesau ac yn dyddi chwythu ei glod. Os rwy'n yn gwrando, mae'r gŵr o ben machno tro grau I ffeindio sydd rhaid. Mae ganddo'n ferfan, welys a tractor I ddau I gasglu'r y haid. Os rwy'n yn gwrando, mae'r gŵr o ben machno tro grau I ffeindio sydd rhaid. Mae ganddo'n ferfan, welys a tractor I ddau I gasglu'r y haid. Diolch yn fawr, thank you. Was I that bad, was I? This next song is off my second album, which I released last summer. It's called Sgwennu Stori. And that means to write a story in Welsh. This song's called Gwely Plentyn, which means child's prayer. There's usually a backstory to that particular song. I'm not sure if this is the time and place to tell it to you. But come and ask me afterwards if you fancy. It's called Gwely Plentyn. Tawn i'n clywed y leisiau a gweld y gres yn dywyrthiau. Fyddwn ni yn ôl fel y plentyn ffôl a blygodd ei ben I ti weithiau. Yn bachgen bach yn Slywio'r ffenestri Gweddïau sy'n dair Yn cael credu'r y gair Bydd beinydd yn cael ei bregenthi A bydd gweddi'n plentyn bach Yn ddigon ffôn Mae'r ddylaw yn Stress i'r ddamhenio A chadw gair ag ychmanio A thrwyfyn i'n oes yn a fi hyn oes A hynny'n heb wobr cresio A fi gweddi plentyn bach Yn ddigon ffôn Mae'r ddylaw yn hyd yn nawr Ond rydw i'n gwrdd ond y glen I like to swap my guitars a lot during the performance. There's no real reason for it. Just to make you feel a bit awkward in those silent moments between the songs. Really, I quite enjoy those moments. This is a song called Sgwennu Stori. And it's a duet between myself and the lovely Greta Isaac Barney here. So it's also the title track of the new album, Sgwennu Stori, which I haven't got a copy of this evening, but you can buy it on iTunes and stuff like that. So, and it's called Sgwennu Stori. I'm not a singer by trade, I guess. I'm a teacher, I'm a primary school teacher. So it's just the idea of writing stories, which I do quite often. So this is about writing one story. It's always a good idea to play the song in the right key, because it can go very wrong later on in the song. So there we go, that's better. It's called Sgwennu Stori.
So fighting you
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I sing in Welsh predominantly. You might have picked that up by now. And St David's Day is coming up in a few weeks now. In class, in school, I do like a quiz on St David's Day. Just to see how much they know. And one of the questions last year was, who is the First Minister of Wales? And I used to use the children's real names in my stories, but yeah, I got into trouble when the parents came to one of the gigs. But this guy's name is relevant to the story, so I'm going to use his real name. His name was Aneirin, and I don't think there's a Welsher name than Aneirin actually. It's an old name for the bard and so on. So he put his hand up, and the look of conviction in his eyes were like fireballs. So he must have known who the First Minister of Wales was, and with a name like Aneirin, you would have thought, yeah. So he put his hand up and said, "Oh, I know this one. It's Harry Hill." It's not Harry Hill, is it? Yeah, where was I? Wales. Castles is another thing that's Welsh, and there's a castle near Llandilo in Carmarthenshire called Carrick Kennan. And this song is about that very castle. It's a gorgeous place. If you're here for a few days or a week or whatever, if you have time to go west, it's a beautiful, beautiful part of the country, so you should try and go there. Try and go to Carrick Kennan as well.
Mor y gadael, mor y brydferth y ceir.
Somebody told me of this next song. Oh, that's the greatest love song I've ever heard for a rabbit. Because it's about a rabbit called Kenny, but it's not a love song. I don't feel that way inclined towards rabbits or any other pet or animal. It's just a rabbit called Kenny who's got mates around the garden and he likes to play with the pigeons and the birds and the flowers. Greta's going to help me sing this one as well. Called Kenny. Kensington is his full name. mae'r colben o'n gwyn ar y bysgotyn yn mwynhau cael sgwrs ar hyn geir wrth gwrs fyddin yn rownd y tir Kensington, oh Kensington Kensington, oh Kensington, my Frankie Avenue, for a bird up at sea, with all on that tea. My cyfeillion gen ti, ond y cwtagau, ond yn ôl yn oedi, a tan i'n ddyfferyn di. Kensington, oh Kensington, y gynnigion anwyddau a fi oedd erioed. Kensington, oh Kensington, ma' Frankie a Benny, Thumper a Betsy, yn meddwl y byd o'n na tir. That's his dress up, by the way. She's got her own stuff as well. She will be on tour in a couple of weeks, in a week, in a few days, with Ola Gatland. She's a young Irish singer. I think the closest I'll be coming to these parts is Bristol. So. And this young gentleman behind me is going to help me with this next one as well. It's called Clychau, which means bells. And I once got a guy on stilts in Carmarthen Square to do the river dance to this song. So if you want to top that this evening, feel free. I can see some tables back there if you want to jump onto one of them. Could hang from somewhere. It's an instrumental, so yeah, don't expect me to be singing on this one. Diolch. There's a couple of songs left. Then I'm off for a date to Swansea. Seriously. Met her on Tinder. Anybody on Tinder? You won't be on Tinder, will you? I never thought I'd be on Tinder either. There we are. We're going to Nando's. I think it'd be funny if it wasn't true, but there we are.
Well, I was just so happy he's got a date he wants to tell her.
Yeah, that's what it is. Wal's going to drop me off in his van now and pick me up on my way home as well, so fair play. 10:30, think of a curfew. So I'm going to finish off with a couple of songs off my first album called No Star. You can buy that off iTunes and other stores as well. I haven't introduced you to the band either properly. This is Wall on double bass behind me, Wal Coughlin. He's in the band because he's got a van. This is Greta Isaac. And as I said, you should check her music out. Put Greta Isaac into Google. Greta does not have a van, no. This song's called Dal Fi Fyny. It's almost like a little prayer asking somebody to give you a little pick-me-up. Dal Fi Fyny. Diolch. Thank you. I'm guessing there's some people from faraway countries here. Am I right? Am I wrong? No? Yeah? How far? Germany, that's quite far. Well, there's a lot of gigs in Germany, don't you? Name me one place that you played well. Enorme Dome in Berlin, apparently. Oh, yeah. Trying to think. He's going to think of one by the end for you. So this is called No Star. This is the one that closes the first album. No Star is Good Night in Welsh. So if you want to take that home with you today, No Star is Good Night in Welsh. Great word. Rundfunk in Berlin. Is that one? Yeah?
Rundfunk.
Rundfunk. He said, nice place, bad weather, and he lives in Wales, Llanama. So yeah, Gildas is the name of the project, the band. I've got a Twitter and Gildas Music and Facebook and that kind of thing. So if you want to say hello on Twitter, please do. If you want to say hello at the end, please do. Wish me luck for my hot state. There we are. Okay, this is called No Star. Thank you.
Ysgol yn lliwiau sy'n peintio'n
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae'n awr wythnosau. Good evening. Nice to meet you.